good morning, YouTube. I am going this morning. Our job got a little bit delayed out, so trying to stay productive. Gonna go pick up one of our trailers and do a little bit of fixes on it. So heading that way now to go pick up the trailer, taking it back to my house because I have all the tools. So gonna be fixing it there. Man, I tell you what, I did not want to wake up this morning. I feel like I'm still halfway asleep, but talking to this ought to make me wake up just a little bit. But I got a little poopy dog with me, so we're gonna have a little bit of a good day together. So the most fun thing just happened. I got up here to grab the trailer and figured out I also need to do 500-hour service on our skid steer, and I don't have my pintle hitch with me for this truck, and I forgot the other trailer is a pintle hitch design. So I'm going back home now to grab my dually to bring back up here to tow the skid steer and the trailer to my house to fix it. So yeah, that's been a very, very productive morning right now. I love it. It's terrible. So going back home with the puppy butt, and that is it. I'm finally back. It's been what time is it? It's been almost an entire hour later, hour and a half. Go pick up this trailer and head back to my house all over again. Feels like a Monday, I swear. All loaded up, chain down. These things are pretty nice. I'm definitely upgrading though, some speed binders here soon. Our lights are working. Now I gotta do some work on this trailer. We gotta do the 500-hour service on the 65. We're all good to go. Time to finally head out. So other than this trailer being a pintle hitch, this is a very heavy trailer. And I know I got a little bit of tongue weight going on for sure, but not really. I'm just kind of sitting in the hole actually. It looks like it's squatting hella bad, but it's not. But just got everything loaded up, as you can see, and need to work on this trailer. I need to put more D-rings on this thing. That's why I got so much tongue weight. There was no good mounting surface. There wasn't enough D-rings to put these in the proper spot, you know, get the 45s on the chain. And then on these ramps, I need to figure out a way to tie them down without using a ratchet strap, or just use a ratchet strap. But whoever had it before welded these on there, and you can't slide the ramps in and out anymore. So that kind of defeats the purpose, especially for the smaller equipment, because you're riding right on the edge of the ramp when you're going. So I gotta do that. And then again, we gotta do the 500-hour service on the 65 here. So that's about it. Made my round, double checked everything. Everything is good to go. This pintle, the slop on it just sucks. But this is no wait for the 3500. All right, I'm gonna hit the road, get back in my house. So we started working on the trailer, and then I forgot to keep on recording everything. So my helmet, my welding helmet, the batteries died on it, so I couldn't even really weld. So I got this piece tacked on, you know, fix that up. That's just tacked on for now. I'm getting batteries tomorrow. Get that welded up all the way. And we fixed these ramps that we were able to squeeze them in a little bit further. Somebody welded some doodads over here so it wouldn't slide in, so we fixed that part. And got a few things on ordered 10 of these 5/8 weld on shackles, so I can put a few more along the spread of the trailer. So got those coming, and gonna redo the hubs, get new oil, fresh oil, make sure the bearings are all good. And then bought new springs also. Those are on their way because most of these are broken. There's like 3 broken on this side, another 3 broken on the other side over there. So those are also coming, because everybody around town wanted way too much money for them. So I found the exact same pair online, bought 6 of them for like 50 bucks instead of spending like $20 a piece on them. But that's pretty much what I got going on right now. So that is it for the day. It's been a little bit of a show, and that's about it. And then I'll be sure to get a video of the 65. We got to do the 500-hour service on this machine also. So that is going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Didn't get much done, but thanks for watching. Have a good one.